Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix YouTube app closing itself. If you are facing that problem, then launch a YouTube app. And before it closes, try if you can simply switch your account. Tap on accounts and select a different one. But if it closes before you can do anything, then this could be a technical glitch. So you're going to have to tap on Play Store. Let's go ahead and search for YouTube and see if our application is updated or not. If you see update like mine, tap on update and update your app. Next thing is simply heading over to your settings. In here, scroll all the way below until you see apps. Now here, search for YouTube. Now once you see a YouTube application, you're going to have to launch it. And from there, we will clear the cache. So as soon as you see YouTube here, tap onto it. Now right here, scroll below, then tap on storage. Here, clear the cache, come back onto app info, tap on force stop, then OK. Once you do all this, restart your device and then launch your YouTube and it will definitely work. Thank you for watching.